નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 1 of our new chapter, chapter 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate of Standard 7 Science. So, first of all, we will wonder what are these and what is adaptation actually. But let me tell you, let me remind you, in the last year, that is in the standard 6th, there was 9th chapter, the living organisms, characteristics and habitat, in which we discussed about adaptations. So what is adaptation actually? The presence of specific features of certain habits which enable an organism to live naturally in a place is called adaptation. And in the standard 6th, chapter 9, we discussed about some habitats of animals, say deserts, grasslands, in oceans, in rivers, ponds. That what we discussed about in the 6th standard. We know that in the desert, camels have such kind of their body, and in the grasslands, the leopards have fur, fat in their skin. That what we discussed in the last year. In this year also, we are going to discuss the weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. That is what our main purpose to understand. Okay, now let's start our chapter 7. Open your page 68 in your textbook. Do you remember the things that you were asked to pack when you were heading for a hill station? जब आप हिल स्टेशन को जाते हो, then you have been asked to prepare or pack such things. Why? Because you are going to hill station. When the sky is cloudy, your parents insist that you carry an umbrella. When the sky is cloudy, naturally your parents will insist you to bring an umbrella or to wear that raincoat. Have you heard elders in your family discuss the weather before planning a family function? Yeah, in our area also. See, in our area, if there is a family function like marriage, then nobody will going to that arrange the marriage in the month of July, in the end of the June. Nobody will arrange the marriage. Why? Because it is a time of raining, isn't it? So it happens in our family also. If you must have also heard the experts discussing weather before the start of a game. I have heard that. See, suppose we are watching that क्रिकेट मैच, देन दैट यूज्ड टू से आसमान में काले बादल छाए हुए हैं, रेन होने की शक्यता है, देयर माइट बी रेन आफ्टर 1 आवर. और कभी कभी ये बोलते हैं कि आसमान में कोई भी बादल नहीं है, शाइनी डे है. तो ऐसे ऐसे वो पहले जब मैच शुरू नहीं होती है उसके पहले भी ये बोलते हैं कमेंट्री में. हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड व्हाई the weather may have a profound effect on the game? See, if there is a cricket match, then it will start by 9:30, something like that, and it will get over. If it is 50 overs match, then it will get over by 5 o'clock in the evening. So the weather has profound effect on this match. मतलब कि great effect. If it rains for 2 hours, for 4 hours, then they will have to cancel the match. That is why the weather have profound effect. We can say great effect. Profound effect means great effect. It has profound effect on our lives. Many of our daily activities are planned based on weather predicted for that day. See, in the foreign countries, say in the where there is to rainfall every day. There is to snowfall every day. In that countries, every time, every minute, people used to watch the weather report, and then they used to plan go to outside. It is there. There are daily reports of weather on the television and radio and in the newspapers. But do you know that this weather really is? In this chapter, we will study about the weather and climate. We will also see how different forms of life are adapted to the climate of their habitat, and that is what we are going to discuss: the climate and the weather and the adaptation of the animals to that climate and weather. So our first point, 7.1, is what? Weather. In figure 7.1, a sample of weather report from a newspaper is given. It is there, and I already write it down. We'll discuss later. We find that the daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during the past 24 hours. It also predicts the weather for the day. Humidity, as you might know, is a measure of moisture in air. So, let me tell you, if sometimes humidity is much more than 80-90%, say, then there are more chances of raining. Okay, that is why humidity also affects. So, first of all, let's see figure 7.1, a sample of weather report from a newspaper. First of all, let's try to understand this, and then we'll discuss later the further. See, so in that one, weather. Now, what is first of all maximum? That is maximum temperature during the day will be 16.1 degrees Celsius. 16.1 degrees Celsius. We will read like this: 16.1 degree Celsius. So it is given in degree Celsius. And minimum is 2.6 degrees Celsius. So there are chances of temperature. It will be minimum up to 2.6 degree, decrease up to 2.6 degree, and maximum will be 16.1 degree only. Then sunset. See, sunset and sunrise is also very effective on the weather, on the climate. So sunset will be on Tuesday. On Tuesday sunset used to be in the evening. So in the evening, 5:41 p.m. 5. See, in our India, particularly in our area, in the summer, the sunset used to be around 7 to 7:30 o'clock, and in the winter it used to be 6:45 to 7:15, like that. But here you can see sunset is at 5:41 p.m. and sunrise on the next day, that is Wednesday, 7:50 a.m. Now, see, moon also used to set and rise at particular time. There is a time for moon also. So here you can see moon set on Wednesday 11:13 a.m. Actually, see, here you can see वहाँ पे इतनी लाइट नहीं होती, तो दिन में भी कभी कभी सुबह से लेकर काफी देर तक we can see the moon. That is why moon set 11:13 a.m. and moon rise Tuesday 11:05 p.m. See, in our area also you must have observed that if it is full moon day, then you will see the moon by 7:30 o'clock in the evening itself. There used to be moonrise, and in the days where there is not moon, say we used to say Ajwadiyu, Andhariyu, है ना? Then we can say Krishna Paksh, Shukla Paksh, Krishna Paksh. If it is Andhariyu, Krishna Paksh, then moonrise will be around 11 o'clock, 11:30 at night. It is like that. So here also you can see moonset and moonrise. Then mist or fog in the morning. There is partly cloudy sky. So mist or fog will be there in the morning, and partly cloudy sky. और sky जो है वो cloudy रहेगा. Minimum temperature will be 4 degrees Celsius. Maximum humidity on Monday 83, and minimum 37. So humidity also affects. Why? Because if the humidity is something more, then there are more chances of rain. So this was the weather report, isn't it? Now let's see further. अब बुजो को एक प्रॉब्लम है. I wonder who prepares this report. उसको ये पता नहीं है. Who see in the next book it is written, the weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. This department collects data on temperature, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. So this way we have seen this weather report. We will discuss further the next point, that is activity 7.1 in the next part. By this time we are ending this part and try to see the weather report in the newspaper also, read that, so that you could come to know. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.